Can I make sure can you guys make sure my family, my mom is good?
We'll do everything right now, man. All right, just sit right there for me, please.
You know, the Texas DPS wanted us to share this because they know that thousands of truck drivers watch this channel. So, you know, their message to everybody is just don't do it. You know, it seems that the cartel is willing to say that they're going to spend and pay all this money, and this truck driver clearly did this for his family and his mom. And he says it in the video. So if they're saying that they're going to spend and pay $100,000 for you to drive 40, 50 miles, I'm telling you right now, you are the setup. You will get caught. And here's the video just showing that. So, you know, to all the drivers out there, I don't know if this is a scare straight video, but yeah, the Texas DPS wanted us to share it. So here it is. And to all the drivers out there, you know, I wish you the best. But if anyone at all tries to come up to you and tell you that they could give you some money that changes your life, you at that moment do not understand what they're saying. Roll up your window and take a nap.
Northbound to southbound lane.
3B1 on the ring. From a distance, I'm not near right now. It's just DPS. 620 for that?
We're gonna be mile marker 34. He's driving on the shoulder on the southbound lane going northbound. We're going over 80 miles an hour.
DPS is in pursuit.
3 boy 109, it came on to.
I receive all units now heading eastbound 44. Eastbound 44. Just got to the left lane, trying to pass about 3 18-wheelers. I don't know if you're going to be able to successfully deploy spikes. Receive, taking the 133 back set. Looking at spikes.
He's losing control. Alright, we're turning into some ranch road. He's stuck, he's bailing out,
Facility bailing out at 133 Texas, mile marker 56. Gonna be on the Texas service road.
So where are you headed to right now?
San Antonio.
San Antonio?
Can I make sure can you guys make sure my family, my mom is good?
We'll do everything right now, man. Alright, just sit right there for me, please.